Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Speaker of English. I'm Daniel, and today we will learn 21 useful phone conversation sentences. These sentences are short, simple, and very common. I will say the sentence first, then I will explain it slowly. Mia will help us practice. Take a breath, relax. Let's begin. Sentence 1. Hello, this is Daniel speaking. We use this at the start of a phone call. It tells people who you are.
Hello, this is Mia speaking.
Good. Now let's move to the next one. Sentence 2. May I speak to Mia, please? We use this when someone else answers the phone and we want another person.
May I speak to Daniel, please?
Nice. Next one. Sentence 3. Is this a good time to talk? We say this when we are not sure if the person is busy.
Is this a good time to talk?
Very good. Let's continue. Sentence 4. I'm calling about our meeting. This tells the reason for your call.
I'm calling about our meeting tomorrow.
Okay, next sentence. Sentence 5. I just wanted to check in. This means you want to see how someone is doing.
I just wanted to check in.
Good job. Moving on. Sentence 6. Can you hear me clearly? We say this when the sound is not clear.
Can you hear me clearly?
All right, next one. Sentence 7. Sorry, the line is a bit bad. This means the connection is not good.
Sorry, the line is a bit bad.
That's correct. Let's continue. Sentence 8. Could you say that again? We use this when we don't hear something.
Could you say that again?
Nice and clear. Next. Sentence 9. Can you speak a little more slowly? Very useful for English learners.
Can you speak a little more slowly?
Excellent. Let's go on. Sentence 10. Let me make sure I understood. We say this to check important details.
Let me make sure I understood.
Great. Next sentence. Sentence 11. Can I take a message? We use this when someone is not available.
Can I take a message?
Okay, moving forward. Sentence 12. I'll let her know you called. This means you will pass the message.
I'll let him know you called.
Perfect. Next one. Sentence 13. Please ask her to call me back. We say this when we miss someone's call.
Please ask him to call me back.
Very good. Next. Sentence 14. Can I leave a message? We use this when the person is not there.
Can I leave a message?
Nice. Let's continue. Sentence 15. Sorry, you're breaking up. This means the sound cuts in and out.
Sorry, you're breaking up.
Good. Next sentence. Sentence 16. Can you hear me now? We say this after changing location.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, moving on. Sentence 17. I can't talk right now. Can I call you back? We use this when we are busy.
I can't talk right now. Can I call you back?
Excellent. Next one. Sentence 18. I'll call you as soon as I can. This sounds polite and professional.
I'll call you as soon as I can.
Very nice. Let's continue. Sentence 19. Let me know if anything changes. We use this for plans and meetings.
Let me know if anything changes.
Good. Next. Sentence 20. Thanks for calling. We say this at the end of a call.
Thanks for calling.
Almost done. Last one. Sentence 21. Talk to you later. This is casual and friendly.
Talk to you later.
Great work, everyone. Practice these sentences. Speak slowly and speak clearly. This is Speaker of English. See you in the next lesson.